So how do you wire a 3 pickup guitar so that you get the most tone possibilities out of it? This is what this video is about. And stay tuned, because in the end of this video you'll get to hear some of the tones that this guitar has to offer. One of the reasons to start your own guitar building project is that you can build something out of the ordinary, something that you can't buy anywhere. And a big part of that is the pickup choice and configuration. When I decided to put 3 pickups in this guitar, I wanted to get the most bang for my buck in terms of tone possibilities. With 3 pickups, there are 7 different ways to combine them, and I don't want to miss out on any of them. So how do you wire a setup like this? I'm going to show you how I did it. If you want to download the wiring diagram, there's a link in the description. So I have all my stuff laid out right here. I have my wires, I have my pots and the toggle switches, I have my capacitor. Of course, I have the pickups, the Jones Supertron and the FRALINs, and then I have my diagram. So I'm all set and ready to go. First of all, I'm going to do the wiring of the pots and the jack and the capacitor, and then afterwards I'm going to connect it all to the pickups and the toggle switches. So that's done. Now I'm ready to put in the pickups and connect them to the pots through the 2 toggle switches. So now the P90 is connected to the first toggle switch, and as you can see, I put a little black wire in there from the shielding to the ground of the toggle switch, and that's because the shield is the ground on this one. And now I'm connecting the bridge pickup, first of all the ground wire, and then the hot wire is going in. And with that, the neck and the bridge pickups are connected. And now it's getting interesting, because after connecting the middle pickup, the Jones Supertron, to the second toggle switch, I'm running a wire from the output of the first toggle switch to the one input of the second. And I'm of course also connecting the ground wire. And with that, all 7 possible combinations of these 3 pickups are available to me. After that, I just have to run the ground wire and the output wire from the second toggle switch to the volume pot, and that's it. And again, if you're interested, you can download this diagram. There's a link in the description. So now the wiring is done, and it's a big moment, because now I can put on the neck, the strings, tune it up and hear the tones. But before I do that, let's just enjoy this very satisfying moment together. No. This is not how you demo a guitar sound. Let's do it here in my humble tone lab. Here I have my switchable pedal buffet. I have my really old school super chorus, and I have my beloved Strymon Iridium going into my Apogee Ensemble into Logic with a little reverb and a little delay. So the toggle switches work like this. The upper toggle switch works like a traditional three-way switch between the neck and the bridge pickup. The toggle switch down here is switching between whatever is going on up here and the TV Jones Supertron. That way I have 7 combinations I can switch between. So now it's time to hear them all. To do that, let's turn on the jam cam. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, the little bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video.